Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week, we have new product announcements from Lionel, Menards, MTH, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Kalmbach Publishing has announced a new DVD installment of the Great American Locomotive series, featuring 282 Mikado steam locomotives. Take a detailed look at these steam locomotives from their development in the early 20th century through their use in the 21st century. Featuring an impressive lineup including narrow-gauge locomotives on the East Broad Top, Durango and Silverton, and Cumbres and Toltec, you will witness over 35 locomotives in action across 17 states. This 100-minute DVD is now available for pre-order for $27.99 at kalmbach.com. Kalmbach Publishing has also introduced new railroad-themed Floaty pens. Choose from 17 different railroad designs. The pens are priced at $5.99 each at kalmbach.com. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive Hiawatha-style steam locomotive in Santa Fe black bonnet colors for Patrick's Trains. The models are currently available for pre-order for $11.99.99. It's not too early to start your 2024 holiday shopping, as Lionel Trains has announced the production of 2 unique holiday cars for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association, a Christmas car and a spooky Halloween car. Pre-order now for delivery in time for the holidays. The cars are available for $94.99 each, or $179.99 for the pair. Menards has added a new shell car to its line of modern tank cars. The cars feature metal trucks, wheels, and couplers, and operate on O27 and larger curves. Each car is individually numbered. Cars are currently available online for $24.99 each, or 6 for $124.94. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-scale gondola car with LCL containers in Delaware and Hudson colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2024. The early order price is $69.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced a new premier O-scale 36-foot wood-sided reefer in nickel plate beer colors, featuring unique Saint-Levere Brewing Company graphics for exclusive distribution by Stockyard Express. The cars will be offered in 2 car numbers, both in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2024. The early order price is $74.95 plus freight. MTH Trains will be releasing the 2024 Premier O-Scale Fish Belly Hopper cars in Reading, Erie, Baltimore and Ohio, Delaware and Hudson, and Norfolk Southern, the original Norfolk Southern, colors late next summer. Each of these offerings will be available in 2 car numbers, as well as individually numbered 6-car sets. The limited production run is set to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in September 2024. The cars have a suggested retail price of $69.95 each, or $389.95 for a 6-pack. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier Line O-scale 36-foot woodside reefer in unique Terre Haute Brewing Company colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. Available in limited quantities, the cars are available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in May 2024. The early order price is $68.95 each. And MTH Electric Trains has announced 2 exclusive and uncatalogued Premier Line O-scale 36-foot woodside reefers in 2 unique Pfeiffer brewing schemes for Patrick's Trains. Available in limited quantities, the cars are each available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in May 2024. The early order price is $74.95 each, plus freight. And remember to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can find the item you want while you keep these videos coming by supporting our channel. Remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.